Want to track every visitor and conversion on your online store with Google Analytics? First, sign up for a free analytics account at analytics.google.com and create property. Now enter your store's name and URL, choose your industry and complete the setup to receive a tracking ID. Next, install the tracking code on your site. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your active theme, select the theme settings, then scroll to Google Analytics, paste your ID into the field and save. Shopify will handle the rest, so every page is recorded automatically. Once data starts flowing, open Google Analytics and navigate to reports. Under real time, you can watch visitors browse your store live. In acquisition, you will see how customers found you, whether through search engines or social media. The behavior section shows popular pages and bounce rates, while conversion tracks completed orders if you enable e-commerce tracking in settings. Use these insights to improve marketing, adjust product pages, and boost sales. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.